Where are you going?
வந்து இப்ப நான் என்ன உட சொல்றது?
I'm going to get a fun. Let's go. He always left his bottle.
Second time.
This is my hunting things. This is a tree branch.
Okay.
These are the leaves.
Okay.
And this is dates.
Okay.
And these are stones. These are heart shape. Dates is a cylinder shape.